Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Scenario 1. Informal greeting. All neutral. You are back. 你回来啦。
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 You are back. 回来咯。
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 Hey, look who's here.
哎，看谁来了。
看谁来了。
看谁来了。
Hi, how's everything? Hi, 一切好吗？
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 Where have you been? 你去哪了？
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 Where have you been?
到哪去了？
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 Where have you been?
你跑哪去了？
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 Hey, how's it going?
嘿，怎样了？
怎样了？
怎样了？
Hey, how's your day?
嘿，今天怎样？
今天怎样？
今天怎样？
Hi, how have you been doing recently? Hi, 最近如何？
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 Hey, what's new with you?
嘿，你最近忙啥？
你最近忙啥
你最近忙啥？
？Hi, how are you doing? Hi, 最近你怎样？
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 Hey, how've you been?
嘿，最近怎样啦？
最近怎样啦？
最近怎样啦？
I haven't seen much of you lately.
最近怎都没见到你？
最近怎都没见到你
最近怎都没见到你？
？Why are you coming back just now? 现在才回来。
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 Why did it take you so long to come back? 这么久才回来。
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 Why haven't you come back for so long? 怎么这么久没来？
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 Why do I keep seeing you? 怎么老看到你啊？
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 I haven't seen much of you lately.
怎都没见到你？
怎都没见到你？
怎都没见到你。Haven't seen you in a long time. 好久没看到你了。
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 You are finally back. 你终于回来了。
你终于回来啦。
你终于回来啦。
You're finally willing to come back.
你终于肯回来啦。
你终于肯回来了。
你终于肯回来啦。
I miss you very much. 我好想你哦。
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 I miss you so much. 超想你的。
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 I'm dying to see you. 想死你了。
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 How was the day last night? 昨晚的约会怎样？
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 Have you eaten yet? 吃过饭没？
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 吃了没？
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 How's your day going today? 今天过得如何啊？
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 Hi, what's new? 嘿，有新消息吗？
有新消息吗？
有新消息吗？
Are you doing anything special?
有什么特别的事吗？
有什么特别的事吗
有什么特别的事吗？
？Are you having fun? 你有玩得开心吗？
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 Scenario 2. Informal greeting response. If you are doing well. Not bad. 还不差咯。
还不差咯，
还不差咯，
Not bad.
还不差，
还不差。
还不差。
What about you?
你怎样？
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 还不差。你怎样？ Not bad. 挺不错。
挺不错，
挺不错，
Pretty good.
挺好的，
挺好的。
挺好的，
Doing well. 还挺好的。
还挺好的，
还挺好的，
Good enough. 够好了。
够好了，
够好了，
Very good. 非常好。
非常好，
非常好，
Super.
超级好，
超级好。
超级好，
Excellent.
特别好，
特别好。
特别好，
Couldn't be better. 再好不过了。
再好不过了，
再好不过了，
Never better. 从来没这么好过。
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 Scenario 3. Informal greeting response. All neutral.
Same old.
老样子，
老样子。
老样子，
Still alive and kicking.
还活着，
还活着。
还活着，
Nothing special. 没啥特别的。
没啥特别的，
没啥特别的，
Just so-so. 一般般。
一般般，
一般般，
Nothing new.
没啥事。
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 Okay, did you feel the difference? In the informal greeting, there is a little more slang, ending particles, reduplication, and informal grammatical structures. The tone is more relaxed, intimate, and even joking, so these greetings are also used for closer people. Let's compare the differences. If the characters at the end are different, the politeness will vary in the sentences with the same meaning. For example, if you say, 最近忙吗? The suffix 吗 is a more polite word, which can be used in both formal and informal occasions. Then, 你最近忙啥? The suffix 啥 is a less formal term and should only be used in informal situations. Moreover, 吃过了吗? The suffix 吗 this sentence can also be used in formal and informal situations. Then, 吃过饭没? The suffix 没 is also a rather colloquial term. Again, 今天好吗? 好吗 can be used in formal and informal situations. Then, 今天怎样? 怎样 is slang and less polite. Alright, that's all. And if you have any question about the course, suggestions, comments, please leave a message to me. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you next time.